Hi everyone, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Suzuki A-Cross, which was recently revealed in Europe and it is also going to be launched there. So we'll talk about all the details and is it likely to come here in India or is it likely to launch here in India. We'll talk about that. First and foremost, this car is based on Toyota RAV4, a mid-sized SUV from Toyota, and this car is basically re-engineered car or redesigned car. Outer design is changed drastically. I mean, it is very great in terms of design, and if you compare this car with Toyota RAV4, the original one, this looks way better than Toyota RAV4. Outer design looks very great. There are a lot of aggressiveness in the front as well as in the rear, and if we talk about the dimension, the length of the car is 4635 mm, width of the car is 1855 mm, height of the car is 1690 mm, and it has wheelbase of 2690 mm. So if we talk about the length of the car or overall dimension of the car, it is slightly on the higher side compared to Tata Harrier. So if Maruti Suzuki launches this car here in India, it will have three competitors: Tata Harrier, MG Hector and Jeep Compass. This car lies in that segment, a mid-sized proper SUV, and it is one segment above of Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos. Now let's talk about the engine. This car is plug-in hybrid vehicle, so it has two electric motors along with the one petrol engine. It has 2.5 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine which produces power about 175 horsepower, and it has two electric motors. One of them produces 182 horsepower and the other one produces 54 horsepower. Now combining all this stuff, two electric motors and one engine, we do not have any official figure. They have not revealed it yet that how many horsepower this car is producing, but we can assume about 300 horsepower this will be producing. Now it has 18.1 kilowatt hour battery, and if we run this vehicle only on battery, it can run up to 75 kilometers only on battery. So this is very great, and also this can run only on battery over 135 kmph of speed. Let's talk about few features of this car. It has 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system which is equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it also has several safety features, namely pre-collision system, lane tracing assist and dynamic cruise control. Now let's come to the main part of this video, that is it going to be launched here in India or not. So straightforward answer is no, but Maruti Suzuki has a great opportunity to launch this car here in India. Now how? I'll tell you. You all know that Maruti Suzuki has an image of producing unsafe cars. So if this car is launched here in India, this will be safe. As you all know that it is based on Toyota's product, so Toyotas are expected to be reliable and safe. So we can say that this will be a good product for Maruti Suzuki, and it can change image of Maruti Suzuki up to certain level. Also currently people are boycotting MG Hector. So in that segment, if MG loses its share, Maruti Suzuki has great opportunity to enter that segment and make a lead as well, because this product is very promising and it can change Maruti's image up to certain level, and it can also gain some shares of market because of boycotting MG Hector. So this was all about Suzuki A-Cross SUV, and you all know now that it's not going to be launched here in India. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated about all my videos. See you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bharat Mata ki Jai.